birthday to Grandpa.
Oh my gosh. McCoy was just singing happy birthday, Grandpa, because we just came back from, or just left it, breakfast with Grandpa. Gotta say it.
Happy birthday! Matt, can you say happy birthday? Grandpa! Give him a big hug!
Oh, gotta get up. Gotta get up.
You're so sweet.
Best birthday ever, right there.
Oh my gosh, it looks like Lion King.
Beautiful. Oh my God. There's 5,000 power lines in the way.
McCoy, I can't turn that light off. It's the sun. I can't turn it off. I can't.
Why wants the light turned off, y'all?
What up, what up? Wife said make a vid.
We are on our way to California. Our first time going this far with 2 kiddos.
So we've already had to resort to the Mickey Mouse. McCoy, can you say hi? And little cubby boy is sleeping in the back like a good baby. We're just up here getting blinded by the sun because we drove at the worst hours.
Cubby's been an angel, if you're wondering. Slept the whole first 3 hours, stopped, woke up, ate, now he's back to sleep instantly. Praying that he sleeps for the next 3 hours.
It's not happened ever before.
This one woke up after 45 minutes.
He normally sleeps for like 2 to 3 hours. Woke up, 45 minutes and was like,
But he's a lot easier to entertain than the baby, so. Anyways, we're super excited. We're going to the beach tomorrow, and then Disney Sunday, Monday, come home Tuesday. We're freaking excited. So Cubby's first time at the beach.
oh, that's cool.
I know. Yeah. He was like 36 weeks last time we went.
36 weeks.
36 weeks old.
Not alive, but in the belly.
In the
36
belly.
weeks.
Yeah, that's very freaking. Anyways, yeah, we're excited. It's supposed to be freaking hot.
Yeah, so this is the beginning. Did you already say Vlogmas? Did you say that? This is the first vlog of Vlogmas. We'll do one every day. Committed.
It's probably not the first, but
Oh,
probably
well.
like the third. Either way, stay and watch all 25 videos of Vlogmas.
25 videos of us.
Hopefully I'm not exhausted tonight to edit the first one because I've been procrastinating. Still haven't edited our Thanksgiving vlog, our Christmas vlog, Christmas setup vlog. Anyways, stay tuned. It's gonna be a fun weekend, and can't wait to have you along. I forgot to say today is my father's birthday, so this morning we went to brunch with him, and it was great. We
Love me
loved
some
it.
brunch.
It was really good, and it was fun to spend a little time with him. So did that, and then we hit the road. Now here we are. Hi, sweetie. Hi. Good job sleeping.
All right, go onto the bed from your luggage carrier. Jump, jump, jump.
Get all your wrinkles back down.
Starts wiggling.
Hey, it's Momo. You scared him. He didn't know who you were. Look at Riggs. Maybe babies to Mrs. Claus. Can we do one with all of them? Do you want to go see Santa? Do you want to give her a high five, Mac? Mac has no stranger danger. It's fine. Oh, so sweet, bud. Hold both of them.
You think she can hold both of them?
Yeah.
Okay.
Mac looks
Okay, you do it.
terrified.
Here.
Say cheese, Jason! Jason! Yay! Woohoo! Mickey Mouse!
Whoa! Go Chip!
Matt down.
Yeah, I thought you were going to.
No.
So leftover.
That's delicious.
Delicious. This is
That's
the
about a
Mexican
burrito.
restaurant you guys didn't want to go to. It's my little baby. I'm calling him carne.
Pizza, salad.
Oh my gosh, she's crazy.
This is what happens on vacation. Chicken nuggets and Frozen 2.
Alright guys, we made it back to our hotel room. We left to go eat. We walked. I got some pizza. McCoy and Carson had some Mexican. And it was really good. Both of the places were honestly super good. Frozen just got over in the background. I don't know where their remote is, and Covey is currently eating, so I can't leave them. Anyways, yeah, we had so much fun. We are so happy to be here, and we're gonna go to bed now, so we'll see you tomorrow. McCoy, look who's here. Trip, say wake up. Hey, Titi. We have breakfast. Hi, Jason.
Crazy thing. Go to the.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome. You have a bottle of chocolate.
So, had a great morning. Went to breakfast. My family woke up way too early, and we're so tired. And breakfast was delicious. And we tried to go to Newport Beach. We put in Newport Beach. Well, put in something. Missed the exit because it said it was a toll road. Didn't want to go on the toll road. Missed the next exit. So we're trying to figure out if our toll thing was on or not. So then, of course, she puts it in. And then we're going to, he put Newport Beach, which you would think would take us to Newport Beach. Took us to freaking Corona Del Mar, which is another 15 minutes from Newport Beach. So we probably headed the right way the first time. And now we're headed 15 minutes back to where we were supposed to be. So love driving in California. Luckily we're on the coast now. And it's beautiful. The weather's great. But we're really happy, as you can tell. How I look is how I feel. We finally made it to the beach. Covey is eating. Carson and Koi went to the beach. So here we are. It's crazy, y'all.
Back on scared.
They wake up, but you're like, oh, bad idea. Go get in it. Go touch it. Ah, it's coming. Carson's having the most fun.
He is like
Hi,
strong.
bud. You guys are cute.
I can't. It's so funny those people thought, because I've been saying these two look so much alike.
Oh, Mama. Oh, yeah. Go back! You're done! Mac, are you gonna bet Dada? What are you betting him? Max says he's hungry. Carson says. What'd you say? He's gonna bet him $25,000.
I bet him $25,000 that he falls asleep before we get anywhere to eat. And I said, "You want to bet?" And he said, "Yeah."
Yeah, I want to bet. He said Max says he wants cereal for lunch, so
Yeah, and he also said he wants cereal.
never asked for that in his life. Hey, silly.
Turn right onto 23rd
Made
Street.
it to the beach.
Then
It
turn
was
left.
fun. It's a little bit chilly. But honestly, felt really nice. And I really want this Handel's ice cream.
Are you going? Oh.
So many crazy people here.
McCoy's really trying to outlast me on this bet.
Sorry, Chloe.
But don't. Where's your binky, bud?
Up above, Chloe.
What's you got there? Cheese for Dada. Come on, Dada got you already. Say cheese. Boy's just trying to figure out if he wants to do it.
I wonder if we put some aquaphor to protect it. I think I might have some in my car.
Look at me, say cheese.
Yeah.
Right here, cheese. Oh, big splashes, big splashes.
Sit, can you sit? Sit, right back.
Say
Oh,
cheese.
here, let's see your best cheese.
Wow, 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 wow. Splash.
We're just hot tubbing, huh? What do you think? Are you happy?
No.
Are you having fun? Are you having fun?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, we are on our way to the one and the only Cheesecake Factory. Tomorrow's my birthday, which is why we're actually down here. And we're going to Disneyland on my birthday. So tonight we're doing pre-birthday dinner at the Cheesecake Factory. And we're gonna go shopping and do some outlets. Carson's mom just gives us money nowadays for Christmas, and we just go buy what we want, which is honestly
More fun.
more fun for us because we work those outlets and get a lot for a little. Anyways, so we're excited. Well, Carson also is in the military, so he gets a really good discount, so it's already like super discounted. I don't know how anyone shops at, oh my gosh, this is worse, at actual malls. It like gives me anxiety that I ever did that back in the day, but anyways, so we're headed to Cheesecake Factory to see, to put our names down. Hopefully it's not a 10-year wait. That's the plan. You want to go sit with Grandma? Are you gonna?
No, yes. You can see my bowl.
What do you say? Excuse me. What do you say? Hey, come on. Excuse me.